Hey guys, today I'm changing my living room from bright summer to warm autumn here on LCD. If you saw it in my spring to summer video, all I did was take a razor blade, cut out the back of this frame that I bought from the Goodwill for $6.99. Took the cardboard apart, took the brown paper off the back as well, and I just taped the poster that I had printed out from Office Depot, and I put it in here, and all I'm going to do is just replace it with the fall one. Hello. Replace it with the fall one and get it taped back up, get the back put back on, get it taped back up, and hang it back on the wall. And it's as simple as that. So this is where I packed all my summer stuff. Everything is in here. The pillows, my candles, the curtain. Obviously, you want to wash this stuff before you pack it up. It's been laid on all season. It's been on the floor all season. Pictures, like I said, my floral, any flowers that I had. The only thing that doesn't fit in is my big canvas with the writing on it, with the black writing, which that's fine. I'll still just put it in my storage closet. But this is a great and easy way to store your stuff. And also my picture on the wall from the frame that I took out didn't fit, my poster. So I'm just gonna roll that up and also put it right into closet, and it'll be good to go.